Hey garden friends, AJ's Green Thumb here. Now I've put this off long enough. What am I talking about? I'm talking about planting these sweet potato slips. They're Covington, these cicadas, boy. There are Covington sweet potato slips that I got from Gurney's probably a month and a half back. And today, I plan on planting them in raised beds. I've got leaf grow, and I've also got some rich compost. And there's a mix that I'm going to create for sweet potatoes, and just potatoes in general. They like a loose, well-drained soil. I plan on using sand, lots of perlite. So let's get started. After I just toted one cart load of compost and leaf grow mixture, I've got another cart load, and it's time for the amendments. So now I'm going to go ahead and add a generous amount of sand and perlite for aeration and drainage. So I'm about to put some earthworm castings down. It's called Vermis Terra. Got it online, got it on Amazon. So the levels are 0.6, 0.7, and 0.2. That's 0.6% nitrogen, 0.7% phosphate, and 0.2% soluble potash. So the last two we really gonna need for these root crops. So I'm gonna be generous with it. Generous amount of espoma bone meal. So the ratio for the bone meal, all right, 4-12-0. Total nitrogen 4%, available phosphate 12%, and calcium 12%. Guys, so for these sweet potato slips, we want to place them 12 inches apart, give the plant enough room to grow and spread, and we want to plant them about 8 inches deep. All right, so what I'm going to do is just simply make a trench. I'm a sweaty mess, so we're gonna make this quick. All right, the hard part is over with. The fun part is here. Let's plant. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bone meal in here. Mind you guys, this is my first time planting sweet potato slips in a raised bed. All the previous times I just simply put them in pots, whoop-de-doo, and that was done. So these are my slips, guys. All right, I'm gonna stick 3 over here. That's 1. There's 2. I mean, that's more than a foot apart, wouldn't you say? And here's 3. So these sweet potatoes will have plenty of room to grow. Plenty of room. Got more than a foot. And that, my friends, is 12 sweet potato slips, Covington brand, planted up. All right, guys, it is a wrap. I am done with this project of planting 12 Covington sweet potato slips. I've been soaking them in water for the past 2.5 weeks, and it is finally done. So I'm gonna go ahead and follow this up with a good water in. Then I want to say thank you so much for joining me in planting these sweet potato slips. And I'll see you in the next one. AJ's Green Thumb.